Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you can add and customize the meta description for an element you add to your Wix website in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your page on Wix or via the Wix website editor. Click into the given element, or simply add the element first if it's a text box, an image, or vector art. And after that, you will need to navigate to the Pages and Menu tab here on the left hand side. Select the given sub-page of your site, click into these three dots and select SEO Basics. Here under SEO Basics, scroll down, and here under Meta Description at the bottom, click into the text box, and that is going to give you the opportunity to type in your meta description here. And that's basically it. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.